I know if you like, we can go ahead and start to save our time, and everybody else can jump in after they caught up on their some of their tasks, and
Okay.
they will also have the
Oh,
video in case they have questions too. So
okay. Okay. Let me start the record.
great,
Recording.
thank you.
And, okay. So this afternoon sessions will be work order request process, workflow manager, scheduler, and custom filters.
Awesome.
in in the work order request process, we have in the presentation that I'm going to share with you this uh, some of the slides. So the idea with the work order request process is that, for example, in this image, we have somebody finds some issue in a part of the factory, and want to create a work order request to report the issue,
Yes.
and then somebody need to approve or reject the work order request and assign the work order to a technician. So
Hmm.
so this person that approve need to approve, and then after that immediately create a new work order uh, to send to somebody to fix the issue that was reported, or
Yes.
reject for any reason, because sometimes is something that is already reported. So we have another work order to fix the issue, or maybe the information that is inside of the work order request is not enough to be able to create a work order. And then after that is approved, the person that is assigned to complete the work order or to finish the work order, fix the issue, and then after that close the work order. The options that we have to create a work order request is using a work order request accounts. In this case, you have to have an account, a user ID, password, to be able to log into the to eMaint, and then create the work order as a requester.
Hmm.
Uh, some basic information about the name, email, maybe the telephone number, description of the issue,
Hmm.
and information about the asset that is reported in this work order request. The other option is a work order request link. We can create a work order request link, like for example this one that is in the presentation. That is an example. In this case, you can copy this link in your intranet, and then anybody that report any issue using a work order request can use that form without have uh, any user account or password to create a work order request. Um, Another new option that we have for this is that we can create a QR code, and then you can print the QR code, put that QR code in different places of your facility, and then any person that has a tablet or cell phone can take a picture of the QR code and open the work order request. Okay, so that's another option with the work order request link. The other option that we have is the work order request through email. This is this is not the most common way to create a work order request, because in that case we need to have an email with some details, but of course
Somebody has
somebody
to
else
input.
need to log into the system and create the work order request
Yes. Yes.
for that person that report
Correct.
via email.
Yes.
So uh, so let's go to the sandbox servers, and here I'm going to show the options of the whole process using the admin account. So the admin can approve or reject any work order request and also create a work order request. Um, Tomorrow during the after the PM management session, I will show the interface for the requester, because I'm going to create a new user, and show you what is the difference between these different interfaces,
Okay.
these two interfaces. So in this case, we are going to create a new work order request. The same thing, the work order. Uh, to be able to create a new work order, we use the plus sign here in the window. Okay, so we can click here, and then it's going to be open this form that is customized for your company. Request by, and then this in this field you can select any of the contact that you have in your in the contact list of eMaint. So in this case, is not possible to. Oh yeah, we can we can type here. Let me try to type. Okay, if we select the magnifying glass, it's going to open the contact list, contact table with all employee, contractors, suppliers here. Okay, so it is possible to select one of them of this, and also it is possible to type the information. In this case, I'm not part of I'm not one of the record in the contacts table, so I can type my information here. The main information that we need, beside of the telephone number, is the email. Uh, the email is the field that use eMaint uh, to communicate with me. So here I need to type my email, because in the case that the work orders request is approved, eMaint is going to send me a notification. And also, if it's reject, then eMaint is going to send me the, let me see, going to send me that notification to me. So look.com. Okay, this is the email. Asset ID is not necessary, so we can type here. If, for example, there is an issue in an asset that is not part of the assets table, I can type here, or select the magnifying glass and select one of the assets. So for example, in this case, I'm going to select the water heater. So this is the ID. Robert Street. Let me see. So we have this different information about the sites. So let's go to see that this one, Arizona. Okay. Problem type is electrical, hydraulical. Um, in the morning session, I explained how to change this information and add more options. So let's go to say that it's electrical. What is the descriptions? Yes, power bill. There's descriptions. Working to be approved by. Okay, maybe this one is something that is customized. Yeah, just for example, here let's go to use your ID. Okay, and image. Oh, there's something we need to change this image field to be able to.
FYI, Manu, working with our implementation manager, they did modify this form for us. I can send that to you if you like, if it
Who
matters.
is a who was a
It was Asma. What's her last name? I forget. It was. Tell you her last name.
let me find.
Asma Soliman.
Oh yeah, I got it. That's
You like me to share the link for the form with you?
yep, yep.
Okay, I will do
I'm
that.
going to I'm going to communicate with Asma to this image comments. Okay, any comments that we have about the okay. So side of this, everything looks okay. So I can save that record. So this is the form that I'm going to have using the link and using the requester account. So save new record, the new record. If I go to the list, so this is all the things that the requester need to fill in this case, and from the point of view of the admin can see here that there is an open work order request in the status. This is the number of the request, and there is no work order number because we still need the admin or the user that approve or reject the work order request need to open this record and approve or reject. Because of that, we have we have a work order number 0, which is work order number that doesn't exist. So uh, the admin is the person that approve. So I need to open as an admin this work order request. And from actions, we have the approve request or reject request option. Those two are the one that I need to use. If I select the reject, I need to add the reason for that rejection. Okay. Anything that I type here is going to be sent to my email as a reason for the rejection of that work order request.
Okay. Are we
So
able
in
to,
this,
and if it's something small, some small error, could we even just fix it on the fly and then approve it?
yeah, if it's a simple error,
Yeah.
if it is possible to approve and then fix the yeah, for example, maybe the description of If the person doesn't add the asset ID and type the asset ID and there is an error, but the description is okay, we can figure it out what is the asset ID using the description. So it's something that is simple. So it is possible to fix during the creation of the work order. So it depends of what is the information that we need, or uh, the most common rejection is duplicate work order because
Yeah,
somebody
yeah,
already
yeah.
reports. So we can say, okay, this is something that is already report. So we already create a new work order to fix this issue. So that's another reason. So in
Uh,
this case, I'm going to approve this request.
Manu, I'm
And
sorry.
yep.
Can we pause just 1 second? Chuck's having trouble connecting with us.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. No
Uh,
problem.
it's telling him that uh, to wait till the meeting starts. Uh, Microsoft Teams has not been. It gave me a lot of trouble this morning too. I had to try like 3 times to log in. Uh,
Yeah, I know. I don't know what happened.
okay, let me see. Just give him 1 second because he'd really like to look at this here with us. He's going to be using that a lot.
Okay.
Um, and while we're waiting on him, um, and if now is appropriate time, I did send you a link with our own web link form, and I had some questions on modifying it. So I don't. Would
Okay.
now be appropriate time to look at that, or maybe a different
Yeah,
session?
yeah, yeah. No problem. Yeah.
Oh, perfect, perfect. Yeah, I wanted to look at something we were doing earlier with a drop-down menu. Um, if you pull it up, I can show you what we're trying to do when the time's
Okay.
right. Or if you
Okay. Let me copy the link.
okay,
So in this, no, maybe new one. Oh, we have Chuck here. Hi, Chuck. Hey, Chuck.
There you are.
hello,
Okay.
perfect, perfect.
Finally. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
It's Microsoft Teams has been like that for me all morning too. I don't think you did anything wrong, Chuck. While Manu pulls it up, man, we were working on the creating work orders, and this is the initial form that comes standard with eMaint. However, our implementation manager modified the form for us a little bit too, and if you have input too, we can add it to it. This is not ours. This is the standard, and Manu was going to open up our web link, and the web link is something that anybody can click on. You can share it with somebody, and we can also make a QR code so you can like put in your facilities, we can print it, put it, laminate it, and people can just scan it with the phone, get to the page, and fill out, something for you. Say the refrigerator is not working, or the sink's dripping, or window won't close, or whatever it might be. And then it should come through the system, and we'd have a work order management system that way.
Is activate your microphone, Chuck, because
This is the one that says Savita that we're looking at right now.
Uh, not that's not the freshest
Not,
one, no.
that's not the freshest.
okay, this is the
Okay,
link
this is the
that
link
you sent me.
that you sent me.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, let's go to open
I
Let's go
think
this
to
so.
this
open
form.
this form.
Oh, it's
Oh,
asking for a
it's asking
user
for
ID.
a user ID.
It shouldn't.
Shouldn't.
be
Try it
accessible
again.
by
Let's try it
anybody.
again. Request number. Gonna try. Okay. No, request username and password.
No, that's not correct, right? That should be like a just a web link, right?
Yeah, that's it's a web link.
Let me see. Okay, I'm resending it.
Okay. Also, you can copy the link in the chat,
Oh,
and then
oh,
yeah.
I'm on multiple computers here.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, I'm on three computers. Doing other work while we're doing this.
Okay. Did you send me the link by email?
I just did, yep.
Okay. Oh yeah, I got it.
Chuck, I sent it to you too. As long as the firewall lets you
Try.
in.
Yeah, try to open. Try to open the link. Okay. No, it's requesting me.
Uh, it might be, you know what? It did something similar to me like this, Manu, when I had a bunch of other pages open for eMaint. So that's a, hmm.
Let me try to use a new. And this one is a single. Okay. No, it's requesting me. You know what? I think that this is okay because normally the do login here, this part, include the username. Let me try. This is for your account.
What was the original username and password when we first started?
Are you referring to the web link, Chuck? The web link is designed so that anybody can log in without being part of the system, like just an observer, right? So you could have like a nurse at one of the stations, and she needs to register a call
It's
for some
asking.
repair. Is it asking you for
Yeah, it's
login?
asking me for password and email.
Yeah, yeah.
That shouldn't be.
Let me try to generate that link for you because think that I can do that. So let me see. Where's the? Oh, where's the? Oh, what is your what is the admin user ID or your main server?
Um,
Not the password. Is I think
yeah,
it's
it's Savita, SEVITAHLTH.
the H
L
L
T H.
L
Yep,
T H.
yep, all caps.
Is that right?
Savita, yep.
Oh, this is your server. Okay, so
Yep,
for
that's it. Yep.
the main user admin, so the request, this is the web link. B C N. I need to open a new so links and work order request link request. Copy. So let me try here. This link should be error security. As I request to get the access to this function. Okay. Work on this specific form. Photo. Okay. What was the link? Profile. Opportunity table. Work order request. Link. Oh yeah, it's this one. It's copy. Let me try with this. Is this?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, let me send you the link that I just created. Okay.
Wow. So how did you do that, Manu? That it should be outside of sign in, right?
Well, I have an Excel files that we use for the support department and that create that link for me.
Oh.
And let me see. Try with the link that I just sent you,
Okay.
and you can see that the auto login username and password is including that link. That's the reason why, because I suspect that the link that you sent me uh, doesn't work because normally the auto login is part of the link.
Mm.
Yeah, but right now with this, it should work. So yeah, but okay. So this is the work order request that the system creates. So what is the change that you need to do with this form?
So down on the address, right, where it says properties. Let me see. You can scroll down. So we have like 400 different properties, and
Uh-huh.
I was trying to get it to where it like as you type in the name of the facility, it connects to our sites table.
Uh-huh.
So we
Yeah,
have our
I can.
sites in our table. We have a table for sites that Asma built for us.
Oh yeah, but in the sites you have this list ID and the site field only. Those two
Uh,
fields.
I'm not sure where you're looking.
No, the in my here in my screen.
Yeah.
This is the form. Okay.
Yes.
So if I click on the property
Yeah.
here, it show me this information.
Oh, just the lease ID. Okay, yeah, that's where we want. Yeah, the name, the street address is not there. That's what we're trying to get is the street address.
Oh, okay. So let me check in the because you have the
Yeah.
sites
Yeah.
table. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't have access to this part. So let me log out from here. Security protocol. Okay. Log out. Yes. So let me open new incognito. Okay. This one. Email support on and in this case it's LTH. Login. In the sites, okay. So you need to have properties.
Yep, the property street.
Okay. So what happened here is in the work order request, go to the list. Let's go to create new one. Properties. It's working here in your server, but not in the form. Because here you have the properties, so that you can create a filter and search what is the right address. But for a strange reason, it's not working in this. Properties. Okay. Oh no, it's working. Is this the view that you want to see?
Yeah, so as somebody tries, as they're filling in the work request, they got to put in the address, and as they start to type in, it can like start to find the property
Okay,
street.
like a filter here. So for
Yes,
example,
exactly.
Auto populate.
Yep.
yeah. Let me find, for example, 1783. So in 83. Okay. So let me try to do the same thing in the sandbox, and then if it were in the sandbox, I will change in your server. Okay. So here in the sandbox, so we have this. Okay, and from here we need to go to the manage form. I did that some times ago, so I'm going to try to remember.
Yeah, sure
Okay,
thing.
let's see. Is the property? Wait, okay. Look up this. Edit. Proper street. Provide. Okay. What was that? Drop down list. It's like a drop down list. I think it's this one. Oh no, it's a drill down. Define. Okay. So the table is sites. site. The site. Yes. What is the first field? The first filter should be the street. Am I right?
Yes.
Asset property street street street.
Or do you want address?
Yeah, maybe this. Which one is that? Which one? Let me see. Close in the okay. Sandbox manage. Okay, sites like change. Send the sites. Property street. Okay, what is the name of that field? No type. Site props street. Type others is this. Type others. So the field filter property street is this one.
Yes.
Property street. And another level of filter. This is gonna show me just the street.
Ah,
But we
yes.
can
Yeah,
but we can use but we can use, for example, the city
Yep, city and state.
in the state. Okay, so let's
Add
go
a
to add a
level.
new level. And in this case, in the that information is here. City, okay, and city. And what was the other? State, okay. State, see, state and state. Okay, save, close, save. Okay, and close. And now let's go to the work order requests and go to the list. And now let's go to add a new one. And let's go to the, okay, here. First, you can type here
Yeah.
17, what was it, 38 or something? No, 80. 80. Okay, this is the
There
one
we go.
that
Yeah.
so this is the only one. So here,
And it autofills the rest. Great.
yeah,
Yeah,
there
that's
you
what
go.
I'm trying to do. Yep.
So let's go. This is in the sandbox. So let me change in the in the real
Okay.
server.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go to change this here. So cancel. Here, need to go to manage for as okay. So property here, and let's go to use the drop down, define. Okay, so the table site here. Here was site address. Site address. And here property street and at level city. Other level and state and save. Close, save, close, close this, close, record the request, and if I select a new one, size street, so I can select 100. For example, it show me the just the one that include this address. I can select, for example, this one, and it's going to autofill that information. Okay? Okay?
I
Thank you,
lost Vegas.
Manu.
Thank you, Manu. Okay. So I'm going to cancel this change and use the sandbox. And then I'll go from here, and close this one. And this is the sandbox. Close this. Okay, so request by, in this case, I'm going to type my name. Because it's not necessary. With this, it's going to show me the contacts inside of eMaint. But that
Okay.
person, it is possible that that person is not part of the contacts table. So
Correct.
it is possible to type here.
Okay.
The information that they need to add is the email.
Yes.
.com. Perfect. Their ID is well. This one is possible to select one of the assets, but
Yeah.
maybe this one is Windows
Yeah.
broken.
Window.
Something like that. Description, main building. Okay.
Okay.
This is the address, so I can select a new one. 16, or maybe this one. Okay, so say that is this one. It's just an example. State
Sure.
Michigan.
Yeah. Great.
This information building room is part of the sites also or not?
Pardon?
Oh, this information building room space floor is part of the sites or the asset ID?
Part of the site.
Part of the site. Okay, so I need to include this for the drill down.
And I'm not sure that we have that in that table if we're going to drill down.
Oh, okay. So
So they
maybe
might just have to type that in.
Okay, no problem. So the problem type,
Yeah.
yeah, let's say that's leak.
Sure.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, we worked hard on it.
yeah. I need to change this. This is something that I can do after this sessions.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Maybe during the practice, I will do that. Okay, so let's say that here in this case, I'm going to select electrical, description, change the okay, with descriptions. Okay, and to be approved by. Oh, we don't need to select this because it's or should we need to select the approver?
No, the approver is going to be automated.
Okay. Approval memo image. Well, this is something that I need to change. Okay.
Yeah. Well, this is where they might take a picture of the problem.
Yeah, that's right. But the field is just a test. So So we need to change for the, remember the X3 document storage?
Uh-huh.
So we need to, so I will do that later just to, uh, in this example is going to be easy if I left in that way, and then after I can change that.
Is there a
So
way in the image, Manu? And just a question: is it possible for the requester to click on the image and just take a picture from their phone?
good question.
They
Because
would
we
have
have
to have
some
React.
reporters that are just, they're just laborers. Um, they're not part of the facility team, right? They're just workers in the facility, and they see something broken and they want to report it.
Never tried that, but I think that is no, that is not possible because the X3 document storage is going to open the document storage, so they need to take a picture first, or maybe jump from the eMaint uh, uh, windows to the camera, take a picture, and then after that go back to the phone and add the pictures.
Okay, so like a select file under image would be like select a
Yeah, that's
file.
right. Yeah, save in the into the cell phone, and after that use in this part. Well, when I change this for X3 document storage.
By the way, we're in X4. We use X4.
Oh yeah, yeah, but you know the
Same.
document storage description for the file is still X3.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's something that is somebody forget to change. So, but so I'm going to save this record, okay?
Yes.
And now, so for the from the work order, remember from here we have open work order request. This is the last one that we create. Um, in the in here in this part, uh, so the admin or the person that is in charge to for approval or rejection of any of the work order requests need to open this list and select the record. For example, in this case, I'm going to select this one. Okay. Um, this is the, so let's say for this one that I'm going to reject this one and approve the other one. Just to, so reject and needs more information.
Okay.
Reject the work order.
Fair enough.
It's just an example
Fair enough.
of rejection. So you can see here that the system sent the email to me. Okay. If I go to my email to Outlook, yeah, there you go. We have this is the email that I received. This is the request number. This is the reason for the rejection. Okay. And then after that is reject that work order request, is not possible to log in again or open that work order request and modify it. So the requester need to create a new work order request. So let's go to see in the case that we approve the work order. Is this case? For this one, I'm going to select actions and approve. Okay, if I approve, the system is going to auto-generate my work order immediately. Is going to contain the asset ID, the description, and I just need to, for example, assign to one employee that work order. So in this case, I'm going to select Jose, apply. All the information, most of the information is here, not the image. Okay. Uh, Schedule date. Let's say that this one for and estimated hour, corrective, electrical, complete. If I need to change anything here, I can do that. But basically, we have most of the information to be able to create a new work order. Okay.
Okay.
Save the work order, and after this, we need to follow the process to complete the work order and close the work order that we explained in the previous session. Okay. So that's the interface from the point of view of the admin. The admin can see this list, can open, can approve, can reject any work order request. So that's the idea of this session, to be able to create some work order requests, and from the work order request create the work order. Remember that in the process that I show early in the morning, we have this part.
Mm-hmm.
I create manually the work order from this point, but also now we have the work order request. We create the work order request, approve the work order request, and then after that, I'm able to configure and save the new work order for based on the information that the requester already created in the work order request. So that's the idea of this session. And
But that's
I
not
like
part of the
to spend
workflow, correct?
some minutes practices, creating some work order requests, and then after that, uh, uh, reject the work order or approve the work order request. And
So quick question.
yep, Chuck.
Is that can be part of the work process? I mean, does it have to be a request or can it go directly to a work order?
You can go directly to the work order.
Okay. You're just showing us the system.
Yeah, that's right. Uh, in this case, the work order request is for uh, those that people that in the company they don't have a user ID and password for eMaint to be able to create a work order, because only the list of users that has that they have a user ID and password to log into eMaint, they can create directly the work order. Well, of course, uh, according to the rights that the admin configure for that users. Okay, so they can create. But for example, any person that want to report an issue and that person doesn't have the user account for to be able to log into the system and create a work order, need to go to the link that I already create for you and send by email. So uh, with that link, it is possible to create a QR code and then use the QR code for the work order request, and just print the QR code and put in different places in the facility
Yeah.
so they can report any issue to
Yeah.
you.
Perfect. That's exactly what we want.
Yep. Okay, so now let's go to spend some minutes creating some work order requests. Remember, it's not uh, it's not so hard to create a work order request and approve and reject, and that's all what I need to for this practice session.
Okay.
And let me know any question that you have.
Can you put that in the chat so I can activate it?
Oh, the login sandbox.
Yeah, the link, whatever.
Oh, the link. Okay, let me copy the link. Is this one? In the chat. Are you?
I noticed in the room space, you're very limited on your characters.
In the room space?
The asset space, underneath the asset ID, the rooms backslash space. I'm trying to type in nurses station and it won't fit.
Okay, let me fix that one.
Sorry.
Request. Space. Oh yeah. So. Oh, let's save. Yeah. Close. Space. Building. Building 15, that's okay. Mhm. 10. Okay, so. And close. Take more space. Yep. Oh no, no. I need to go here. Where's that? I fixed the length of the room space, so now you have 100 characters available for that field. And I need to change this for the image. Manage for this image.
How do I approve it? I have to go back to the sandbox, correct?
From here, you can go to actions and approve request.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't have the sandbox.
Oh no, you don't. Oh yeah, you use the phone. Yeah, you need to go to the sandbox server.
Oops. Manuel, maybe you can give me a link to the sandbox when you get a moment.
Oh, the sandbox. Yes, yes.
So I'll go. What is that?
I sent you your email as
I
well.
sent you your email as well.
Let's see. Get it in pictures. There we go. HTTPS.
Also is in the
chat. Oh, did you? Yep. Maintenance.com. SLB. Okay. SLB login. Okay, I read. Accept. Okay, so how do I approve? Work order requests. Dashboards. Actions. Approved request. That one was retrieved. Okay, so I need to get out of this. Go to list. That's what I need to do. I don't see the one I made. Huh. 00124. I don't see it. I don't see my request on this 00124.
Oh, you know what? You use the link of main server.
Oh, crap. Oops. Well, there's a fix the copy machine request that has not been approved.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, we later we there and delete that.
I was practicing, sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
So anyway, I would just basically find one like the broken window, which you have blocked. I tried to approve that, but it wouldn't allow me to. But any of the others I could approve, like 106.
The 106.
I'll get back out of this. Work order
Oh,
requests.
here in the work the request.
Okay. So I'm looking at, let's see, boiler furnace water heater. That's the ends in 813. So open that. Open. Options, actions. That's not allowing me. All right, let's get out of here. Go back to list. So on this, I'm under assets, all assets for some reason. I want to look under work order requests.
Oh,
I have 3 work order requests. 2 of them are, the status shows A, which I think is active, correct?
Approved.
Approved. Okay, so there's not one on here I can approve.
Yeah, that's right. You need to create a new one.
But I can't access that unless I do it on the main one, right?
What do you mean with the
Do
main?
you have a link for the sandbox?
No. I just create that one for the main server.
Gotcha.
Because the sandbox doesn't have a request for user.
Ah.
So, but it's the same thing. So you can create a new work order request using this icon, plus sign.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now, gotcha. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Where it says approved by or approved email, do you guys want them to put that in there? Or is that
No,
gonna be auto
no.
Okay. Image, okay. Okay, so I've highlighted the 118. Now I'm trying to approve it, and now I don't see the drop down to approve.
You see. 118. Okay. Okay.
I went to actions and I thought it said approve, or I
Yeah.
don't see that now.
No. Share with me your screen.
Oh, I need to move over this side. I guess not. I don't see, let's see. How do I share the screen?
Oh, on top of the teams, beside of the left button is a share. It's a rectangle with a arrow.
Rectangle with an arrow. It says share. Okay, I'm on the screen where I'm working, the eMaintenance by 4. Do you want me in the meeting side or in the?
Yeah, in the meeting.
Okay, I'm in a different screen. Let's see, share. Okay, I see that's up at the top right.
Did you find it?
Yeah, I'm trying to open up the right one.
Okay, perfect.
No, that's not it.
Yeah, I can see your email.
Yeah, this is the one. You see this one?
No, just your email.
Just like, okay, let me get back to that. All right, let's get back to share here. Share.
Ensure your screen. Not the window.
And share. And then go to eMaintenance.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
This is what I'm trying to do. So I was trying to approve this, and I went up to actions.
Oh no. You need to go to the request number. The one on one.
This one?
Yep. And go to actions.
Now approve. Okay. That's where I got lost.
Yeah, no problem. So that's a work order. That's a work order for you. And then you need to change the information and save the changes, and that's it. Perfect.
And then go to list. I'll be able to see if it's active.
Yeah, but that is the list of the work order. Go to the work order request. Yeah, that
Well, it
one.
should be a request anymore. It should be a work order, right?
Yeah, that's right. Now, if you go to the list of the work order, it's approved.
Okay. But this normally would be over. It would have been turned into a work order. Okay.
Yeah.
Just because we're in the sandbox. Gotcha.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so let's go to the workflow manager.
Let me mute mine so I can hear you. Sorry.
Okay, no problem.